His store is selling this massage gun, which is a pretty hot product right now. And I think there's actually another person selling the same exact products. But overall, I think if you put some more work into this website and you have a good advertisement, you can definitely go places with this product right now. So good product choice. But back to the website, we got some drop down menus here. Moving on though, we got some trust badges, we got a sizing chart, and you got a good boy that blends right into the website over here. I think it would look better with just the bold fonts and then the description, and maybe even add some icons in between these bullet points, the way that the mini pods store that are the first store that I reviewed in this video had in their description. Scrolling further down, we got a little diagram that's pretty neat. I think it's gonna look more professional. Maybe just take out the payment icons down here altogether. I obviously don't have access to the back end of this website, so I can't tell you guys if it's making money or not. I kind of got the awkward writing on here. I basically did what I just did in Photoshop, except you left in the little attachment, which is probably a better call. This font right here is not the move. But overall, I think if you put some more work into this website and you have a good advertisement, you can definitely go places with this product right now.